Hi everybody, and welcome to Lesson 5 of the 2021 school year for library. Here at North Hills, if you head into your Schoology account, Lesson 5 is the blue folder, as you can see here on my screen. Underneath of this, you will see that our focus is YCL, which stands for the York County Library System. What's really important to understand is that in York County, we have 13 different libraries that you can go to, which are now allowing some book checkout with real books in your real hands. But even more importantly than that, they also have electronic books for free for you beyond what we have available in Sora. So the first thing I'm going to do is ask you to click on the York County Library link. As my screen changes, you're going to see a purple page with lots of color. This is how you know that you're on the right link. Personally, this is the Martin Library. I believe myself that it is the biggest and the best of the 13, and I'm a little biased about that because since I was 13 years old and working as a volunteer to get Girl Scout service hours, I've been a part of and even an employee of the Martin Library. So this is downtown, but you don't have to go downtown. As I mentioned, there are 13 different locations. As you read through what is available here, you'll see that they are now starting to allow some people to come in and browse their library, and they also allow for pickup of real library books. You'll also see that they have a lot of amenities for you, and that's a fancy schmancy way of saying these are what's available. This is what we have here for you for free. So if you don't have Wi-Fi at home, you can go into the library. They also have some public computers, and now that they're allowing people in with small capacity, that's where you could go on the weekends and be able to not only get on Wi-Fi, but use a computer beyond your iPad. They have a lot of other things available. Just pay attention and check out the website anytime. As far as upcoming events, there's a scavenger hunt on September 12th. And if you're seeing this video after that, just redo the website, and each time you click on that particular link, all of the newest and available information will be there, including their times. Now, most of the libraries are closed on Sundays, but if you want to go after school or if you want to go on the weekend Saturday, you'll find all of that information on the website. A big part of getting that free library card for the York County Library System is the ability to be able to use the PowerKids page. Now, they do have one called Power Library. That's a good thing to look at, but focusing on 4th, 5th, and 6th grade, you want the PowerKids. With your free library card, you'll be able to use BookFlix. You'll be able to read some of the titles inside of Cyber Smarts. You'll be able to be on the database for Gale and Context at the elementary version, which is the old Kids Infobits. If you've heard me teach Kids Infobits before, then this is what that is with a new name. Okay? You can also get to that from the North Hills Library homepage. This is my favorite part. TrueFlix. This is a nonfiction site about lots of social studies and science topics. Everything here is facts and truths where nothing is phony. Nonfiction books are written for your information only. And all of this is on here for you. Every single one of these has a video and a book to go with it, as well as some additional websites, activities, maybe on a rainy day, some little projects. It's a fantastic website. So I highly encourage you to use that and to use PowerKids in general. Inside of PowerKids, you can actually chat with a librarian if you have a question. You can borrow books from all over the state of Pennsylvania, not just the York County Library System. You can find all kinds of information about Pennsylvania and explore Pennsylvania. And then down here are 3 very friendly, kid-friendly sites, easy to access, easy to use, easy to understand. All things about Pennsylvania, All things that we have to thank Ben Franklin for, and all the things that are down in Washington, D.C. at the most amazing Library of Congress. So this is all a part of the York County Library System. It's on the PowerKids library page, which also has Power Library. But if you head to PowerKids, you just can't go wrong. Now, as I emphasize all of these wonderful resources, you might be thinking, how do I get a library card? Click the link and follow the directions. You might be thinking, well, where are all these 13 locations? Click the link and you'll find out. And last but not least, you're probably thinking, well, how do I find great books at the York County Libraries? This is the Search the Catalog link. It's the same idea as when we go into Destiny here at North Hills. They use a program called Spark. Right here you can see the name of it. And ours is black and white, and I have to say I'm a little jealous because theirs is really cute with the monsters and various things. But same idea. You can look up a word. So for example, maybe I want to read all about dragons and I just type in the word and it will show me books that way. Or maybe because I already know about dragons, I want to type in the title of a book. So I want to know more about the Wings of Fire series because I love dragons so much. Or maybe I have read all things Wings of Fire and I have finished that whole series, but I want to know more if Tui Sutherland, who's the author of that book, has written anything beyond the Wings of Fire. And so I would type in Tui Sutherland and click on author. So by word, by title, by author. In our Destiny, it's by subject, by title, by author, all the same. Or you could do musical instruments, current events, and more facts about Pennsylvania. It's all here. It's a cute, easy, kid-friendly way to search, and then it takes you to the books. You'll be able to see if they are available. You'll be able to see if you have to put them on hold. You'll be able to find out more about the reading level. You'll see the covers, just like in our Destiny catalog here at school. So please, use the public library. Make sure that you are benefiting from all of the many, many resources that they have available to you. And then you can always send a little note to me about how you have used the public library in the past. Maybe some of you did the story times or some of you did summer quest or things like that. And then you can tell me how you plan to use this resource this coming year, especially if we go remote and online. Everything is here for you to be able to read some amazing electronic books and maybe even get your hands on a book that you can hold. Enjoy the York County Library System, and of course, contact me if you have any further questions. Bye for now.